Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, clicking on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Wednesday, December 22nd, 4:36 p.m. New York time. The U.S. stock market is closed. The futures market closes at 5 p.m. So I'm going to start right now with the midweek market review. We'll look at the equity indexes because they already are closed. What an interesting week we're already having. Looking at the S&P 500, each candle's a week. So the current candle already rejected this demand zone of buyers and gunning up to this supply area. Yep, that's good. It's good for us bulls. Very nice. Very nice. Strong like a bull. NASDAQ 100 also. It did make a lower low, but it's back inside the range of last week. This demand zone is doing very well. Dow Jones Industrial Average also for the week made a lower low, but now it's back inside that range of last week. And the Russell 2000 made a lower low and now trading above the high of last week. That's good. Very well off these demand zones. Dow Transports, lower low, lower high, but inside the range of last week. Buyers are stepping in. And the Dow Utilities, yep, above the close of last week. That's good. It's an consolidation. Outstanding. Outstanding week we got going on here. Let's look at the fixed income products, the U.S. Treasuries. Start off with the 30-year. And these are open right now, so they're closed at 5. Yep, we made a higher high, higher low, but trading inside the range of last week. Excuse me. So it's in a consolidation. And what's interesting is this prior week here. Yeah, looking for that to get taken out at some point. And then we have confirmation that we're rolling down lower because we're way off the highs from the year. That's the 30-year. Here's the 10-year, much closer to the lows. Did make a higher high, higher low, but back inside that range of last week. And the 5-year, same thing as the 10. Look at that, higher high, higher low, but still in this consolidation. So we still have these bearish trends down, and these U.S. Treasuries putting pressure on the U.S. interest rates to go higher. Let's look at the currencies now. First, look at the U.S. dollar. Inside candle for the week. We have not taken out the high or the low of last week. Huge consolidation near the highs of the year. Interesting too, because the way things are going, one would expect this would be rolling over. But it's not making highs. So obviously certain currencies within here are more bearish, causing this to be holding there. But again, we'll look momentarily, see which currencies are stronger that are putting pressure on this. Look at this crypto, Bitcoin. Here's the high for the year. The trend is down. We're inside candle last week. Yep, way below the 50,000, still struggling. Let's look at the Forex pairs, the FX pairs, the ones that are inside the US dollar. The euro, also inside candle for the week in the consolidation phase. Yep. So that's still consolidation. Where we look at the Japanese yen, it's trending down, but retracement. So here, that was a bullish pin bar. Again, the Japanese yen is a safe haven currency, and buyers stepped in there. Buyers stepped in there. So this is looking like a retracement, an opportunity to buy if you're bullish, because that's just how I see this. Opportunity to buy. Why that? Because you're going to see a correlation on the other safe haven currency, the Swiss franc too. British pound up strong this week. Still inside acceleration, but still, look at that, near the high of the week. And the Canadian dollar, lower low, lower high, inside this demand zone. We'll see what happens at the end of the week, how that's going to close. Okay, the other safe haven currency, the Swiss franc. There we go. See this yellow arrow? That was a bullish pin bar. Buyers came in. When it went down there, buyers. So again, safe haven currency, it looks like they're holding it and potentially going to go higher, which would be putting pressure on the US dollar to go down. And the Australian dollar, also strong like the British pound. Yep. So again, it's Wednesday. We have several right there. The euro and Swiss franc, both the inside candles. Let's go on to look at some commodities. We'll look at the energy and metals. Energy, we start off with crude oil. Huge trading range for the week. And buyers stepped in again, holding it above $70 in acceleration phase here. That's bullish. Natural gas, also an acceleration phase right here in this demand zone of buyers. Yep, I am in bullish positions right now with the stock ETF of the underlying natural gas. Let's go look at the other commodities. Metals, we'll start off with gold. Yep, so look at this, interesting. Last week was a bullish there, tested this demand zone, rejected and closing up. That's bullish right now for the week. It's an inside candle, small trading range of around at 18. Still strong gold and silver. Yep, also bullish pin bar there. There tested the demand zone. Buyers came in. It's bullish silver. Very strong. Double bottom buying opportunity. Palladium, same thing. Double bottom buying opportunity. The metals have buyers stepping in on these demand zones. Look at this copper, huge demand zone, buyers stepping in right there. We had this consolidation, went lower, rejected, closing lower, buyers stepped in, holding that up. Metals are bullish. Okay. Okay, let's go on to the next. We already did the metals and energy. Time to look at the agricultural commodities. Corn broke above big round number 600, strong like bull. So here is the low of the year. A huge consolidation above 500, 600, finally breaking above it. We're gunning up higher. Corn commodity, strong like bull. Wheat futures also in a demand zone. Buyers stepping in, brought it back to 800. So maybe we might see the high of the year tested again. Strong. And soybean futures also strong like bull. Broke out of consolidation above 1300. Strong. We have a run on these commodities. The metals and the foods, they are going higher. And lumber, lower. Huge red candle for the week near the bottom of the demand zone. Huge difference from where it opened there for the beginning of the year. That was a high, and now we're below, making new low for the year. Lumber. Time to look at home builders later on. That is interesting. Live cattle. Yep, huge impulse move. Doing retracement. It's still bullish. Feeder cattle. Yep, right there is demand zone buyers, and that's what happening again, stepping in. Lean hog, huge consolidation. Yeah, look at that. Big move for the week already. Strong like bull. Okay, now let's look at the sectors. S&P 500 sectors. XLK, lower low, lower high, but trading back inside the range of last week. XLV, inside candle for the week, building consolidation. XOF financials, lower low, lower high, but near the high of the week. So it's holding up in this consolidation. XLY, yep, made a lower low, lower high, but back inside the range of last week. Trends are still down. XLC, inside candle for the week, huge consolidation. XLI, lower low, lower high, green, currently inside that body of last week. So a buyer stepping in here at the $100 level. Look, this has been acting as a demand zone. I'll even move that up more. Let's bring that up to 100 even. There we go, demand zone buyers. XLP, green for the week, consolidation. XLE, oof, huge breakdown below, but made a lower high, lower low, but back inside that consolidation with the current price level. XLU, yep, lower low, lower high, but again, they're pushing it up back inside that prior week's range. XLRE, real estate, yeah, real strong, huge consolidation. XLB, lower low, lower high, but currently near the high of the week, huge consolidation. Let's go on to the next, the Faang Plus. Yeah, so most of the sectors were looking strong for the week. Apple as well, made a lower high, lower low, but currently trading inside that range of last week. They're buying these stocks. Microsoft, inside candle for the week. Amazon, inside candle for the week. Wow, it's Wednesday already and they did not break out. Interesting. Facebook, lower low, lower high, but currently back inside the range of last week. Google, lower low, lower high, near the high of the week in that consolidation phase. Tesla, oof, look at that, almost a bullish engulfing. That would be interesting. Potential reversal, trend up higher. Made a higher high, higher low, and the whole body's overlapping that current one. November Victor Delta Alpha, lower high, lower low, green. Remember this week, the markets close on Friday, so it's a short trading day, short trading week. So these candles will not be truly a full week of trading. And Netflix, higher high, higher low, green for the week, trading above the high last week. And Bravo Alpha, boy, lower low, lower high, small trading range in consolidation phase. And there we have it. That's what we're currently looking at on the end of the trading day for Wednesday. We just seen what a lot of price action is occurring for the past, well, since Sunday night for the futures and since Monday night for the stocks.